Once upon a time, in a serene and sunny farmyard, a mother duck sat patiently on her nest, eagerly awaiting the hatching of her eggs. One by one, the eggs cracked open, and out came tiny, fluffy yellow ducklings, cheeping loudly. The mother duck was overjoyed as she counted her adorable little babies. But one egg, the largest of them all, had yet to hatch. Finally, with a loud crack, the big egg opened, revealing a bird that looked quite different from his siblings. He was grey, awkward, and clumsier than the rest. His feathers were dull, and he didn't have the bright yellow fluff of his brothers and sisters. The other ducklings stared at him curiously, while the farm animals began to whisper and snicker, calling him names like the ugly duckling. The poor duckling was heartbroken. Everywhere he went, he was teased and left out. Even his own siblings wouldn't play with him, mocking his appearance. The constant ridicule made him feel lonely and unwanted. Determined to find a place where he truly belonged, the duckling decided to leave the farm and explore the world. He waddled far and wide, meeting various animals along the way. First, he encountered a cat and a hen who were unimpressed by him and told him he didn't fit in. Next, he tried to find refuge in a cottage, but the people there shooed him away. Wherever he went, the duckling faced rejection and felt more and more out of place. As the seasons changed, the duckling struggled to survive. Winter came, bringing icy winds and snow that chilled him to the bone. He sought shelter in a frozen pond, hiding among the reeds and hoping to stay safe. On many nights, he gazed longingly at the sky, watching majestic swans fly gracefully overhead. If only I could be as beautiful as them, he thought, though he couldn't imagine it ever being true. Finally, the harsh winter passed, and spring arrived. The duckling, now older and stronger, wandered to a crystal-clear lake surrounded by blossoming flowers. As he bent down to take a drink, he caught sight of his reflection in the water and gasped. Instead of the awkward, grey bird he had always seen, there was a stunning, elegant swan staring back at him. At first, he didn't believe it. Could it really be him? He flapped his wings and saw they were strong and graceful. Just then, a group of swans swam over and welcomed him warmly. "Come join us," they said with kind smiles. Nervously, the duckling stepped into the water and glided effortlessly. For the first time in his life, he felt confident and accepted. The once ugly duckling realized he had never been ugly at all. He was a swan all along. He had just needed time to grow and discover his true self. From that day forward, he lived happily among the swans, finally feeling proud of who he was.